Right, I've got to turn that into a wheelbarrow so I can wheel it around the front of the house and then somehow make it hover above the van. How am I going to do that? Rather pleased with my pop-top wheelbarrow. Now I've got to figure out how I'm going to make it hover. With that wood, this rope, this handle. Well, actually it wasn't that handle. Turned out it wasn't strong enough, and well, keep watching and you'll see. And some pulleys. Just wait and see, you're going to be amazed. Right, come on, choppity chop chop. I'm going to need you. I reckon that should be strong enough, don't you? The measurements in the instructions don't match up with the frame, so what I think I'm going to do is do the lesser of the two, because I can always take a bit more off, but I can't add it on. Right, first cut. For bloody raining in it. Don't worry about that though. Now I've got my little canopy set up in the rain, it's time to get this hole cleaned up and straightened up a bit. Don't stop me now, I'm having such a good time. Right, quick sit rep. It's quite early, as you can see. I want to get this pop top in before 12 o'clock because the rain's coming. The cutout's nearly finished. I've just got one more rail to rivet in and then that's ready to go, but I'm going to leave that because I want to get this in before the rain comes. Right, I've got to drill the holes for the hinges for the pop top. So I've marked them all out, and we have to use these little chaps. These are little rivet nuts. And what happens is you drill a hole, pop that in, and then there's a tool that goes in there and squashes that up. This bit squashes underneath the metal and forms a clamp on the metal. I haven't got a tool, but I've discovered on the internet you can use a nut, wind that in there, and then wind that nut down, keep winding, and it squashes that up and does the same job. I love the internet. Right, now comes the interesting bit. My homemade crane was great for taking this roof off, but that only weighed about 20 kilos. The pop top weighs about 80 kilos and costs a lot of money. So I'm hoping my crane's going to do the job. It should do, it's carried my weight. And believe it or not, I am more than 80 kilos. But anyway, let's have a go. And that's how we roll. All the way round. Right, so we've got straps across from each corner which go through this pulley. Now in theory that should more or less be the centre of balance. So let's give it a tug and see what happens. It's carrying the weight. Bloody heavy. Right, I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to lift it up and then I'm going to hook it in place with those straps just to secure it. Wish me luck.
What are you doing?
There we go. I don't know what you were worried about. It's all nice and secure now, so hopefully there's enough room there to get my van underneath it. There we go, it's in the right place. With that hanging on there now, I can move that around and get it just in the right place for the hinge holes. Beautiful! And that's how I do a pop top. Oh, and I beat the rain. I must be the only bloke on the internet who decided to fit a pop top on a day that it was forecast rain. There we go, pop top's in. Technically not that difficult, logistically a bit of a nightmare. But it's in, so I can get on with the rest of the build. In the next video, I'm going to be removing the bumpers and the mirrors and getting them painted to match the rest of the body. So click subscribe and the bell icon to make sure that you don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching, I'm very grateful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!